Hey everybody, Josh Deaton with Sideways BBQ. So I'm sitting here with Zach again at Bankhead Brewery. Their genius came up with another type of entree for our brisket, and I'm gonna let him go ahead and tell you about it. And we're gonna jump right into this video because I can't wait to take a bite of this thing.
All right, yeah, so this Sideways mac and cheese that we have, what we did is we took the brisket, put it all together inside of it, Parmesan, Gouda, and then we did our own special sauce with it. We crumble it with nice little crumbs on the top of it, a little parsley on top, so when you bite into it, you get the crunchy, soft, cheesy, it's all amazing.
We're gonna take you from start to finish. Just come up here and get you some of this, take a picture of it and you send it, you come up to Sideways, you get a free caboodle, or you can get a free fried rib, post it all over your social media. Put it on Instagram, put it on Facebook, put it anywhere you wanna put it, but you just gotta show us that you put it somewhere and you get some free stuff.
Thumbs up. Cool. Hey guys, this is us from over at Bankhead Brewery. First off, we start off, we put our nice garlic white wine sauce. It's our own homemade cream sauce that we use. After that, we throw in our mac and cheese right there. Let it get nice and simmered down, just to get it all that flavor saturated inside. Then we use our smoked Gouda right there, and that's just gonna give that nice smoky flavor on top of the wine. Mozzarella, it's an extra salty mozzarella, so it's gonna have a nice kick to it. Then we have, of course, the Parmesan that goes on. It's just real nice, kind of gives it a little funkiness that you really want, and a nice mac and cheese. Then we have the award-winning brisket from over at Sideways. It's really good, has a nice, powerful flavor to itself. Of course, put a little bit more cream sauce in it just to give it a nice, full flavor to it.
Okay. You're gonna want to get the All right, so the moment that I've been waiting for, I cannot wait. So we've got the Sideways mac and cheese right here. If you've seen this whole video, if you watch this whole video and seen how this is made, this is probably the fanciest mac and cheese I've ever seen in my life. So it went in a brick oven, and you see the skill from the guy when he did the move where he turned it. This is professional level macaroni. It doesn't get any better, and literally, I am anxious to try this right now. I can't wait to do it, so we're gonna go ahead and dive into this thing. All right, so here we go. This is the bite I get to take finally at Bankhead Brewery, but look at this. Look at that. Cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. Can you believe that? Look at that, it's crazy. So, here we go. I'm gonna take my bite here. That is the sickest. Literally, this is the richest It is so rich. It is so
creamy.
It's so rich. Look at this. You can taste the brisket. The brisket it just complements everything. When it comes down to the flavor profile, Bankhead has the best. It's so rich. When I tell you rich, it's rich. And it is exactly what you want in a mac and cheese. This is exactly what you want, folks. You come up here and you get one of these. You can make it a meal. You don't even need anything else. You just need a beer and this. Make it an entire meal. You will be so satisfied when you leave here. You'll be so happy. You'll probably take a little bit home because this is a big meal. So you'll take some of that home. All you gotta do is just make sure you buy this, come in here, take a picture, and I'll take care of y'all. Y'all come into Sideways, show me that you took a picture of this and you ate it here, and you get a free caboodle, you get a free fried rib, and we'll take care of you. But we're so excited to be a part of this, and hey, down the hatch. So good.
Alright guys, so right here we got the Marzen, we got our Oktoberfest right now. It's a real nice malty, goes perfect with the mac and cheese. It's gonna give you that nice full flavor with both sides of it. It's both of them are just delicious. Absolutely amazing.
Cheers. Cheers. Well, that's good. And what do you call this again?
It's our Marzen, it's our Oktoberfest right now.
Oh, that is the perfect pair. Order that and that together, you can't go wrong. Hey, thank you guys, love you guys. If y'all wanna see more videos like this, subscribe. Also go to Bankhead's Facebook page, go to their YouTube page, and
Instagram page too.
Instagram, everything. Subscribe to Bankhead Brew Company, and then subscribe to Sideways, and we'll see you in the next video. We love you guys, and thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.